Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO Reno 10x zoom, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display and brightness. And here we have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we've got the option auto screen off, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and 30 seconds option is right now applied. It is marked, as you can see, but we can also set 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So all you have to do right now in order to change the screen of time is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, maybe 5 minutes, and as you can see, we just got back to the display and brightness section, and here we've got the information that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out, so we do not have to enter this option in order to check which one we've got set. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO Reno 10x zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.